me to push it? Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Boom. All right. All right. So replacing the risers for the shower, but we're not doing new shower valves. We're going to be putting risers right here. Ball valve capping them. That's it. Look at those. They put concrete on those? What are those? Stuck? Is that stucco? The hell is that?
Not hard.
Alright.
Take the shit off of it.
Alright, there you have it. So, all we're doing, this is a real squirrely one. They don't want us to do the valve because it's 3-handle and we'd have to break the tile and there's a stud in the way and this and that and blah, 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 right? So we're running 2 copper lines up, shutoffs, caps, and then we're doing the same above as well. I gotta answer this. Do it again. All right. So that's the cold, yeah?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, that's definitely the cold. Now tap the hot. Wow, it is copper.
Got it?
Yeah, it's copper. It's copper down here. That's crazy, dude.
They just did a half-ass job.
I don't understand why they would transition back to Galvy.
Because they didn't want to run the shit that we did. They didn't do the runs.
Yeah. All right.
What you want me to do?
I guess we can start. I guess I'll go get some material, and if you want to start opening up the ceiling.
Down there?
Yeah.
All right.
A show.
Here we go.
All right.
Still going. What is it?
No, it stubs up right there.
What the
Oh. Where does that one go?
I don't fucking know. Let's keep going.
It keeps going, huh? So that's how they transitioned right there. All right. We're not going to have to touch this. It probably doesn't go much further. So this is the drain right here. This is a clean out. Or actually, no. That's the drain for the unit above. Right there. And then just, you see the hot comes up. That's the cold. And they both, right there, that one stubs up. And it stubs up right there. Yep. We just need enough, we just need to leave enough pipe right there so I can unthread it with a pipe wrench. So long to the Milwaukee chuck, that's for sure. Anytime that sucker gets wet, it's done. R.I.P. Milwaukee chuck. That's it.
I know. She can't get that kind of rate anywhere else, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's her rent is pretty cheap. Yeah.
So cheap. Yep. Well, okay then. I mean, yeah, when I saw this amount, I said, oh my God, this is way below the mortgage.
All right, everything's out. We got lucky here. Got threaded in nicely. Now let's go upstairs and we'll cut that valve out. God damn. Holy shit. Okay, we got it all out. All good. All right, we're inside. So they told us to simply run the copper up and leave it. And somebody else is gonna come and attach to that shower valve. So that's on them, man. That's on them. We're not even gonna strap it or anything. Because they're gonna need a little bit of play. Okay, there we go. All right, push. Push. All right, stop for a sec, hold on. There's the freaking, there is the,
Thank you.
have a good one.
I'll let you know what I decide with that
Okay, sounds good.
project.
All right, pull it out just a little bit. Just a little. Go ahead. Pull. Okay, so the reason I do that is that wasn't fully inserted. All right, hang on. Okay, so now we just need to cut those out of the way. Damn, okay. Do we have a rag or something we can... Here, grab me that glove. I just don't want any... Are there more? Is there more than one? Let's just put this glove. It's such a mess. Okay. And we'll put a bag on this one. Okay. I guess cut those up there. Higher. Yeah, because we're gonna put a. Well, yeah. And you make those old ass blades work, bro. Okay. And you wanted us to cut an axe. You just want us to bust the drywall open right here?
Yeah, just pop holes so you can turn the handle, that's all.
Okay. All right.
We'll deal with the, we'll clean up later.
All right. All right, we're all done. I just got to strap this right here. It's gotta strap that. Okay. There's that one. And there's that one.
I'm gonna go check the thing.
Yeah, you can see if there's any leaks. I just got to strap this and then we're done. That's it. ProPress is so efficient, and you don't even have to check it, dude. It's how much I trust it. As long as you do the insertion depth and all that.